Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about our good old friend Kaspa. See what is happening with the price of Kas and of course what we could be expecting going further into this upcoming week. So looking at the overall market, you're seeing a handful of red, at the same time a handful of green across the board. Kaspa is down about 6% over the past 24 hours. One of the top projects that is down right now in the top 100. But just a quick reminder for everyone, if you're looking at it over the last 1 month time frame alone, it is one of the very few coins that is in the green right now, up 27.3%. But let's take it a step further, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. Before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price of Kaspa right now, 15.2 cents, as mentioned, down 6% in USD comparative, as well as about Bitcoin comparative, down about 6%. Looking at the market cap, $3.64 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $56.5 billion. Sorry, not billion, $1 million. Everyone in the Kaspa community, I'm sure, wishes Kaspa had that much trading volume, but that's not the case. My bad. $56.5 million. But let's take it a step further and really start to understand what exactly is happening with Kaspa right now, because I have been reading my comments lately asking, hey, Crypto ZX, we need a Kaspa update. What is happening with Kaspa? Why is it not moving? Why is it not hitting all-time highs? To settle down, we will cover that. So taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance index, the dominance index has gone down a little bit, but nothing too crazy, especially compared to May 29th. We were sitting at 53.95%, and right now we're sitting at almost 56%. So, that's a major difference. But if you're looking at BTC, Bitcoin did exactly what I spoke about. If you did watch my update, the overall market update, I spoke about that, Bitcoin could still retest, even though the FOMC meeting is done, interest rates are not being changed, of course. In, the immediate term, that does sound bearish, especially for assets that are on the riskier end. And Bitcoin and cryptocurrency would be in that category. But still, we're in a bull market. A lot of bullish things are happening for the space. And I still think we're going to bounce back towards new all-time highs. This is just part of the game. You're seeing BTC retesting 65K just yesterday. Again, we spoke about that if you watched my market update, and I still think there is a chance that 64.3 could even be retested. And again, that could impact altcoins furthermore. But now if we're looking at Kaspa, you did see Kaspa see a significant pullback. So what we ended up seeing happening was, another retest in the, 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level just 3 days back, guys. Just 3 days back, you were seeing Kaspa retesting after actually retesting the 14.96 support line after, hitting an all-time high. We did see a market shakeout that time around as well, due to FOMC meeting coming up. And look at this, you saw Kaspa recovering really fast, and again, Bitcoin went below 66K, and obviously this is not going to be a surprise for Kaspa to retest once again at the 61.8 support line. But what is this telling you right now? You saw literally on the neckline, this again is the daily time frame. You could see it on the daily time frame as well, but you saw the neckline being retested at the 15-cent support line, and this held for us not once but several different times in the past as well, which was an all-time high at one time going back in November, when the bull market was initially kicking in. But now I want you guys to realize one thing. If you were on the sideline and you actually started kicking yourself after that retest, it did happen just on June 7th, and shortly after that you saw Kaspa making its way back to the 23.6. Well, the chances once again there, if you've done your due diligence and if you've done your research on Kaspa and you really believe in the project and you want to dollar cost average in, you never want to be dollar cost averaging in when it's at its all-time high or close to all-time highs. Always take advantage of these retracements. There's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. And we have seen a significant drop just from like 3 days ago. So I do expect, we've seen the Kaspa's overall price history does tend to move up very quick, and I've seen this several times happen, and again, sharp drops as well. We need to take a look at it. low trading volume, not listed on all of the major centralized exchanges that we're used to seeing. This can be manipulated quite easily, and we've seen that happen in the past. We can get that confirmation just by looking at the daily time frame. But this is one of the projects that has, historically speaking, been bouncing very quick from these pullbacks, and I personally project, again, my own personal opinion, I think Kaspa will rebound very quick and retest the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. But as far as next support line goes, if this does not hold, we could possibly get down to 14.6 cents, but I highly doubt it. I do think we go back into the 0.50. But do let me know down below what you guys think. What is your overall strategy? What is your price prediction? In the next few months to come, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be looking back and thinking, hey, you know what, Kaspa at these prices was pretty attractive. And me specifically, I kind of go back just a few months back, Kaspa was crazy cheap, and what it has coming for itself, I think can really benefit it. But again, time is going to tell. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.